Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. My name is Aanchal and I'm a tarot card reader and a spiritual coach. So today I really wanted to talk to you about this golden word which means gratitude, which means being thankful for. So, what are you thankful for? Being thankful for this life, being thankful for the food, the clothes, the shelter which you are getting at this moment in your present, being thankful for all the past which you have seen in front of your own eyes, also being thankful for your previous versions, being thankful and grateful for all these lessons for all these years which you have spent with yourself, with the people you must have spent with, being thankful for that, because if that was not there, then today you wouldn't be where you are. Being thankful for everything in your life. Another thing, what are you thankful for? Being thankful for the talents you have, being thankful for the skills you have, being thankful for the skills you are acquiring now, the knowledge you are acquiring now, being really grateful for the people you are meeting, being grateful for the soul tribe which is now coming to you, being thankful that you are away from toxicity, you are away from toxic people, free from them, being thankful for your mind, being thankful for the awareness which you have within yourself, being thankful and grateful to the universe, to the divine, for everything you have, for the money you have in your bank, for the clothes you are wearing, being thankful and grateful for the people you are with, being thankful for this amazing life. When you go out, you have your eyes, you can see this beautiful nature with your eyes, you can hear good and positive things with your ears. You have an option whether you want to think whether you want to hear negative or you want to hear positive, but being thankful for only and only the positive things which you are hearing, the smells which you are smelling, being thankful for only the good smells you are smelling, the fragrances around you. It's not necessary I'm talking about perfumes over here, I'm talking about the fragrances which also comes from within your own body, from within your chakras. When you elevate yourself, when you elevate your energy, when you elevate the aura around you, the vibration around you, you have to be grateful for your whole body, that you have been born as a human being, because you are magic, you are a miracle on this planet earth. You need to elevate yourself to a level like how gods think, to a level that you are the child of God, the child of universe, and you have to be one with the universe, one with the divine. How will you go back to God? How will you go back to universe? You can only go back to God and universe if you yourself consider yourself as a child of God. You have to be one with that vibration, one with that frequency, one with that energy of the universe. You have to create this golden aura around you, the shift around your mindset, that everything is possible and everything is always working out for you today. Miracles are there and you are the greatest miracle. This society has created certain traditions, rules, regulations which are only for the society. They are not for you. They are not created by gods. If you actually read the Puranas, the Shastras, there is nothing written that ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. There are ways. People have broken those ways, the rules, and in such a beautiful manner that they don't disrupt others, they don't harm others' emotions and feelings. At the same time, they are making you fulfilled. They are making your life fulfilled. So I would suggest read the Puranas, read the Bhagavad Gita if you can. It's the blessing in disguise what God Krishna has given to all of us, and we need to really open ourselves, open our mindsets. What you are learning right now in today's society is all man-made. Yes, there is dharma, artha, kam, moksha, but these are given to us by God. But inside this, there is so much of confusion which the society has created, which you need to which your intuition is also telling that this is not the truth, this is the truth. So listen to your intuition, follow your intuition and follow your purpose, follow your passions, and just be very, very positive and go in this positive aura, create a positive and magical aura around you. So until my next video, see you, bye, take care.